Alright out there, hey guys, Friday. I got all my parts. Not for this tire carrier, but for the Bronco. So, thanks for all the comments and suggestions out there. What I do have is, I'd like to reply to a comment that I got from, I can't remember who left this comment, but they want to know how this thing opens and closes, you know. What's this about? How does it secure on there? Well, this is just a regular door striker off of Ford, okay? Got this from the junkyard. The striker, you know, the little bolt that sticks out in your door. I was going to say pretty basic, but no, more basic towards older Broncos. I don't think the Ford Super Duty's got the same thing, but you can find these at Kragen or AutoZone and the repair parts thing. It's called a door striker. I think it's called a door striker. It's pretty much just a bolt with a plastic thing on it, okay? That's that part. The other part is the actual locking mechanism that goes on there. And here's one I got special just for you guys. I went to the junkyard the other day and I pulled one out of another Ford older model. I think it was, I don't know what year, but it was an older model. It wasn't like a brand new car. But this is basically the same thing. I think I got this out of a F250 or 150, I don't know. But it's just a typical door locking mechanism here, door latch. This is off a passenger side. Why did I pick the passenger side for this truck here? I don't know. I don't remember. I don't know how many years ago that was, you know. This is basically what it is though, okay? If you look up close. It attaches to the car with 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. It's actually in the door. So how this works is when you close the door, it hits these plates in here and the plates go. Let's see if I can get my thumb stuck in there, but the plates close like a ratchet system. It's locked in there. Locked in. Now, this is the way your car door operates. It's the same thing. It's locked in. Once it's locked in, you cannot open the door. And they're made that way. There's some kind of safety standard these things have to meet to stay closed in case you're in an accident and the door don't fly open like it did in the old days before people had safety belts, you know. People getting crashes, they'd go fly out of the car. They didn't have safety belts, number one. Second thing was the doors did not stay closed in an accident when you got in a crash, you know. So, these are very well built. They got to be well built. Okay, so there's two ways to unlatch this now. Now that's in the closed position. Okay. One is you'll find one of these things on there. Actually, you'll find 2 of them. One is for the door button for outside the door. You know, the push button or the lever to open the door. And the other one is hooked onto this. This is for the lever inside the door to pop the door open. Okay. The third is the lock. This is the lock. So no one can open the door. So, okay, what I did was I put one of these in the bumper material I got, which is a 2x6 rectangular steel. See, like that? This is part of the bumper material. The little rod pokes up through here, and I made a button. Okay. So, like I said, it's latched right now, and when I push my button, okay, so it latches automatically when you close the tailgate. Okay, when you want to open it, you push the button. This is my button right here. You push the button. Okay. How simple can that be, you know? Works great. Now, I've seen other latching mechanisms out there, and bolts and levers and all kinds of things, but that works great for 11 bucks. Yeah, solid. Now, if you accidentally bump this thing, it'll pop open, just like your door will. But it won't open all the way. You gotta hold it and open. See that? I'm sure you've been driving around with your car door not all the way closed, the same thing. See that? It's not all the way closed. Now it's all the way closed. It's tight. I feel like going for a ride. Got my tags on the Bronco there. I might head out to the desert and have a burger, you know? Yes, burger time. I'm thinking of heading out to Stoddard Wells OHV area. It's a legal off-road place to ride in Southern California. It's no fees to get in. You just go and you can ride wherever you want. Just stay within the boundaries. They have a lot of off-road races out there. I'm just going to go out there to go out there. There's a place out there. There's a little bar, a little place to eat called /X. I think I'll go out there and have some lunch. Have some burgers, a few beers, and take the Bronco off for a little test drive. Because, you know, I've been working all week. Anyways, it's Friday. It's the weekend. I haven't gone anywhere in a couple weekends. I think it's time to go. That's where I'll be tomorrow. You hear me?